Hello everyone, I'm Sakshi Tiwari and I welcome you to our new lesson. Today we'll be talking about what actually nouns are. So what are nouns? See, nouns can be people, places or things. People like a teacher, children, right? Places like a beach, maybe cities, right? Things like a guitar, flowers, etc. A noun can be singular or plural. Singular means one, single. Alright, a singular noun does not have an S on the end. For example, a bird, a guitar, a computer, and plural means two or more. Alright, now to form the plural of a regular noun, we add an S to the end of the noun. For example, a bird will become birds, guitars, computers. Some nouns in English are irregular. Now, if a noun is irregular, it means that it doesn't follow the rule of adding an S to the plural form. Instead, there is another kind of change to the noun. Some nouns have a vowel change. For example, foot will not become foots, it will become feet, right? Tooth will not become tooths, it will become teeth, right? Also, man becomes men, woman becomes women, right? Other nouns have a consonant change before adding the plural S ending. For example, leaf does not become leaves, it becomes leaves, right? The F gets turned into V, right? Knife does not become knives, it becomes K-N-I-V-E-S, knives. Some nouns have a different plural ending than S. For example, child becomes children and ox becomes oxen, right? Other nouns become a new word. For example, person becomes people and mouse becomes mice. Some nouns do not change at all from singular to plural. Do you know that? For example, deer remains deer no matter how many deer the field is filled with. Fish remains fish no matter how many fish there are in the ocean, right? So I hope you understand what nouns are. Now it's your turn. Look at the picture and say or write the plural form of each noun. For example, wife, wives, right? Now you try. Thanks for watching.